Y'all pretty much see what y'all can get. Pretty ladies right there. Look at that. Oh, she don't want to look.
You living how you living. Hey. Check it. Hey, how you living, how you living? Healthy and on free for all the nights that I was bidding. Who that bitch a baddie, know I gotta put my bid in. I take it, she taking, food tastes better when forbidden. I ain't got no time for waiting, hurry up bitch, get in. I'm capping this bitch so fine, I'm about to leave her kidding.
Yeah, I don't care about the wind. We just going raw today. Raw. Oh baby, I like you raw. Oh baby, I like you raw. Guys, we out here on the strip, Fortaleza, strip of the beach. You see the palm trees. Oh, guys, I want to show you some. So, that's good. Scuba. Guys, we say excuse me, say scuba in Portuguese. A lot of people like popcorn. I don't know. You want to get some popcorn? Put some. Yeah, scuba. Want to get some popcorn? They got a lot of pigeons out here. Sí, poquito. Our boy is gonna hook us up. You know, I'm internationally known. Nationwide respected. You don't like the president, but still didn't get elected. Guys, we just got some popcorn. Let's try it out real quick. We had to get him. He didn't know how to do it. We have to get butter in this and salt. It's good. Even Billy Don wants some of this. They want me to buy him one more, no, but it was too expensive. Guys charging 10 EIs. That's $2. And real guys, it's only $1.
I think you overcharging.
Ain't even about the money. It's the principle.
I think you overcharging.
Yeah, ain't even about the money. It's the principle.
I think you overcharging.
But yeah, it's good though. You like it?
Yeah.
What do you give it from 1 to 10? It's popcorn.
Like a 6.
Oh man. Yeah, but this is Fortaleza Beach. They got stuff for the kids right here, guys. You see the buildings? Let me show y'all the city real quick. Backing up. Show y'all the pretty people. But see, this is what it is looking like. It's looking like a little Miami right here. You know what I mean? That's what it's looking like, guys. A little Miami. This, it might be my home go-to spot. You know what I mean? Might be my go-to spot, guys. Oh, you see the people over here working out. I don't know if y'all can see them. Look closer. See them, and then you got the vendors on the streets, people working out in the streets. I mean, vendors earning some income. You know what I mean? Look, you know that I'm allergic to shellfish, but T-shell. You know what I mean? They have people working out right there. But yeah, dog eat dog world. Shout out to my dogs. Aye. Shout out to my dogs, guys. We out here. We in the streets. But my name ain't Keith. Shout out to Keith. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look, you got jogging, perrito, oh, muy suave. And I know, guys, y'all probably saying, wow, why in the world are you speaking Spanish? Because I still don't know Portuguese yet. Duh. You know what I mean? But yeah, we out here. It's popcorn. I got me a second round. I gave Philly Dom the rest because I'm a nice guy. And I got me a second round, guys. Popcorn's good. He is actually 10 reais, and which is like basically $2 US. He claims that he thinks he overcharged us, but I don't know, guys. It's worth it. I mean, what's the dollar? I mean, we ain't about the dollar. It's not about the money, it's the principle. But in Rio, you could get that for $1. But this popcorn is actually better. I feel like this popcorn is better than the one in Rio. So you pay for what you get, guys. You always rent bikes. Here, they run on this certain separate sidewalk. So you're away from the street and cars. You know what I mean? People working out daily. That's why people are fit in Brazil, guys. You know what I mean? Why we go in Brazil. See this? Look at that sunset right there. You know, the dusk, the dawn type shit. You know what I mean? Dusk till dawn. No vampires though. Maybe over here. We out here though. Palm trees in the streets. I'm normal life. Shout out to my dogs though. You know what I mean? We're gonna come out here tomorrow, and I'm gonna get it during the day. We're gonna show y'all how we play all day, like Kid and Play. Ain't that right? I'm Kid, he Play. But when it comes to these videos, we don't play. So hit that like, subscribe, guys. If you could, share. And guess what? All my trolls, all my haters, I want y'all to leave a comment. I don't care how crazy it is. I want y'all to blow me up in these streets. You know what I mean? We out here, but we showing y'all what it is. Y'all see it? Y'all see the vibes? Let me show, before I let y'all go, let me show y'all what y'all can get. Because we ain't gonna do a long video. Y'all pretty much see what y'all can get. Pretty ladies right there, look at that. Oh, she don't wanna look. she don't wanna show her face. That's all right. It's all right. Well, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Almost lost Philly Dom. I'm about to say, where in the world is Philly Dom? Where in the world is Philly Dom? Shout out to my dogs. Perrito, miando. Perrito, miando. It's a very safe area. Guys, you want to come here in the afternoon. It's really a vibe when you're walking through here. It's good exercise. It's cool tonight, so you're not sweating. It's really good exercise. Good vibe, guys. It's more of a good vibe. I know a lot of guys are exercising. You see the people running. You know what I mean? Like, you see the people running and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, guys, this is a cool vibe. You know, bring a little cutie around here. You know, just vibe out. You know what I'm saying? And you know, get your play on. You know what I mean? My man's cut right here. He does. You know, he doesn't drink. He ain't like me and Philly Dom. He's, you know, he might be an incel. You know, me and Philly Dom, we party animals. Ain't that right, Philly Dom? But it's your boy Milano. We out here. We're gonna take up more of y'all time. Y'all see it out here, the streets, and we out. Like, subscribe, share, holla.